Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection it is required, and then you can enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates, and as you can see at the top of the list we've got this option Software Update. Your device will right now check for the updates, and after that you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one, where your device is telling you that you're up to date, there's nothing to download and everything is okay. You can tap on check for updates if you're not really sure and if you do not believe that, so you can check it again. The second scenario is when your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, the name of the update, and actually a lot of really important information. And after that, you will be able to simply tap on download and install or something like that. It should appear right here, and then you will be able to download and apply the update, or actually your device will do it automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.